Do you have a double-sided ribbon and you want to make a bow? Meaning the ribbon looks pretty on the front and the back? Let me show you this bow making technique. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Jolie Samaco, owner of Southern Charm Wreaths, where we teach you the art of wreath making and faux floral designing. In this video, I want to show you how to make a bow using double-sided ribbon, meaning you're going to be able to see the front side of the ribbon and the back side of the ribbon when you finish making this bow. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and dovetail this. This is a really thick ribbon. So measure out your 8-inch streamer. And you're going to pinch into your 2 fingers. And I'm going to measure out my 8 inches. And pinch. Okay, and then twist. Right, so here it was before we twisted. Right, we're going to twist. Measure out 12 inches. Take it away from us. Pinch and pleat. Oh goodness, come on. And then no twist, no twist. So you're going to try to intermingle these ribbon loops to where they are a combo of the back side and the front side. So we're not twisting, okay? And we are twisting to get the back side facing. Lay it down and take it away from me. Remember, I'm just paying attention to the front of the ribbon, what's showing on the front. All right, so that looks good. Let's take this loop over here, this loop over here. So we're mixing up our print and our solid and our pattern. And now we're going to measure out another 12 inches. Right here. Measure out another 12 inches. So we've got another set of loops with the pretty plaid side showing. I'm just going to twist that. I'm going to reposition this loop on top. This is why you don't want to hold too tight on your ribbon, or else you won't be able to move these loops to the front. All right, so we've got one here, one here, one here. Let's go ahead and not twist. We're going to go ahead and make this. Let's see, did I twist? No. Twist. Yeah. I have to think about it because we're really just paying attention to the top of the ribbon. Right here. See how I'm really paying attention to what's showing on top. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, do I want, for somehow this one loop got a little bit small. This is really thick ribbon. All right, let's twist to get the pink side showing. And then no twist to get the plaid showing. And hopefully this is going to work. We've got that. Twist, trim, and then turn it over on the back. Pinch, trim. So this is really thick. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix up my ribbon loops. And we're really trying to get a mixture of the back side of the ribbon and the front side of the ribbon. Do y'all like this idea or no? I mean, I think it's kind of cool. You can get double-sided ribbon. And that way it gives the illusion that you have 2 different ribbons, but you don't. You just have the one.
That's the hearts and lights, but no questions.
Okay.
Oh, there's one.
Quit yawning.
Sorry.
They're going to think that you really don't enjoy all the bow making. when we know you love it. And we're going to twist the bow to make that secure and tight. And then here, if you don't want to dovetail, you can just fold the ends up, right? Fold the ends up. I love this idea. I mean, I really do. This is really a cute idea. So it's one ribbon, but it looks like two because of the way you twist or don't twist. And then you can mix this up if you need to. Don't be afraid to manhandle the bow after you've made it to get the loops just right. Do I need to try it on the machine? So we're going to do 6 inches here, twist, and then 6 inches right here, and then don't twist. So now we make our loop, 6 inches, twist, 6 inches, don't twist. All right, 6 inches, push down, twist, right? Yep. And then 6 inches. See how it's starting to pop out? I need to make sure to keep it down tight. This is the thick, thick ribbon. Don't twist. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Twist. So how do I determine which one to twist and which one not to twist? I just pay attention to these loops. This is what I'm looking for. I want to make sure that we're getting a mixture of the print without the print. So now I need a side over here that doesn't have the print on it, right? Push it down. And then this last loop is going to be a twist. No, because it's going to be the print. Pinch. And then we're going to cut this off. Grab my wire. It is, you see how it's starting to pop out of my bow machine? You just have to keep pressing it down and pull it all up. Grab your wire. This could have been a time I used a zip tie because it's so thick. Okay. Now before I twist, let's shape our bow. Mix up those prints and patterns. All right, there's our center. Let's go this way, and then we'll go this way, and we'll go this way, and this way. All right, once we've got what we like, turn it over, pull the loops towards me as I twist the bow. Do we like that? So it's a great way to mix up all that color and print. Where's my other streamer? I have one here. Oh, here it is, right in front of me. And right here. Now we're going to move on to our 2 ribbon bow. Isn't that cute? cuteness. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Bow maker, hand tied. Basically the same formula. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like all things wreath making and bow making. I'll see you next time.